Alright, there we go. Camera's on. It's on the glass. There we go. Oh shit. That doesn't need to roll away. Alright, here's one egg. Cracking into the glass. Ew. That looks freaking gross, dude. It's all dark. It's like bloody or something. I don't know. That's weird. Another egg. There's 2 eggs. Okay. Oh shit. Salt and pepper. Some pepper. Some salt. Okay, throw in a little parsley leaf. Here and there. Bada bing. Can we get a good shot of that? Oh, hey, cool. Let's get a different angle. Oh, that looks disgusting. Alrighty then.
Okay.
Yeah, fuck it. Here we go, Lisa.
Okay.
Oh. I hope this gets on the camera, actually. Oh, dude, that wasn't too bad.
That wasn't too bad.
That was good shit.